Do you want to turn your text from this to this? Let head into the video, we will need text layer first. And remember, this effect might only work with text and shape only, not work on picture and clip. First, we will need a transform node. Don't worry, I will tell you why later. Then hit Shift and Space to find the blur one and add it. I will custom this one around 1 or 3. Then add Create Bump Map and set height scale to 30 or 50. Okay, now right here, click at the Transform node and copy it. Or you can hit Ctrl and C. Then click at Create Bump Map node and hit Ctrl Shift and V to make an instance. Right-click at Insert Transform and hit Deinstance and enable it. Now add a color correction node. Decrease saturation to 0 and lift up a bit contrast. I will add a merge node right here. Connect the background node for it. Right here, click at the merge node and hit Ctrl and T. Connect this template to effect mask of this merge. Set alpha at 0 to make it transparent. Now add another merge node and connect this template to this green one. Change this apply mode to overlay. Now you can see the bevel. I will change to other color to easy to see. To see the bevel clearly, you can custom this one. I always set this one around 30 to 50. Change this blur size to make round or edgy. To change the angle of this bevel, you can custom this angle. If you want to skip all the process, you can download my plugin in my description. You just need to drag and drop. Look really easy, right? Hope you enjoy the video and thank you for watching.